How to scan face for Bitmoji on Snapchat. First, let's open the Snapchat application. Then tap on your Bitmoji at the top left corner. And now go to the gear icon at the top right corner and then select the option of Bitmoji. Now first you need to unlink your current Bitmoji. For that, tap on Unlink My Bitmoji and then tap on Remove. Once you have done that, you need to download an app. So let's go to Play Store and then on the search bar, search for an app called Bitmoji. And the first one that pops up is the one that you need to download. So once that is downloaded, tap on Open and then tap on Continue with Snapchat. Once you've done that, tap on Create Bitmoji. And then it's going to give you two choices. So just tap on the one that you prefer. Now you will need to take a selfie and then the Bitmoji will be created based on your face. You can choose to edit your Bitmoji. You can change the color, the face structures. And once you do that, you can tap on Save and then you can pick outfits as well. So once everything looks good, tap on Save and then your Bitmoji is created. So that's it for this video. We hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more videos like this.